Let's see what we got outside today.
What's up, Pastor Ray?
Yeah. What'd he say?
Got glass? No, it's actually...
Need some glass cleaner? Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh.
Don't film
Ray, you like? Look, I cut the grass.
It looks great.
I took the garbage out.
Look at this car.
What you should do a battle of 69s, Firebirds, Camaro.
That's a good battle too, except this one's beat to ever.
Wow, she looks good, Ray.
Is that an RS?
It is. Too bad when Faj is not here to fucking bury his balls. This was the
still in
car.
the hospital. He should be coming home today.
I don't know about today. Get out of my face. This was the car that was fucking in pieces when we built the whole thing.
We didn't paint it though.
Headrest.
They were in the back. I couldn't get them in.
Really?
Let's put the final touches on, brother.
Well, if Ray can't do it, then I'm sure we can do it.
I can do it. I'm a headrest master. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at my mats. Look at my mats. See, they make the car. This whole interior had fucking nothing.
Stop hitting me with the door. It's twice.
Had nothing at all.
And you don't get any content of you putting it together.
Because it was like a 2-month project.
So what? You should film before, and then I could throw in what it looked like before. Now I got nothing. That's why I don't do these restoration projects.
I'm not gonna break it. I'm trying to see which way.
We have to do it for content.
Which way does it even go?
Good question.
Definitely not that way. Right?
Maybe, I don't know. Does it look like it goes that way?
It looks like it will go this way.
Yeah, that looks right. He's doing it. He's doing it. Oh, he did it. It's complete. It's got one more headrest.
For you guys wondering, I didn't build this car. I did some shit. I actually, what did I do?
He wasted all the money.
Ray wasn't happy with me. He left me in charge. I fucking went on a spending spree, like fucking 15 grand in parts. I did the taillights.
What, you put them in?
Yeah, I put them in. I did all the chrome on the side.
I never noticed how similar the taillights are on the 69 Camaro and the 69 Firebird.
Well, RS's taillights are different.
Oh.
RS is a nice, you get this trim package and one solid lens, but 69 has these 3 individual. Oh, doing it so much easier.
Wow, this guy's good. Wow, we're gonna have to add another $100 to the bill, Ray.
Yeah. So it's a 69
RS.
Camaro 350 turbo 400 10 bolts. Every single thing is new on this car. Paint, all the chrome, the glass. We did new windshield, new rear window. The side windows were original, but every piece of chrome, the rims,
They look shiny.
the paint,
The tires.
the exhaust is from Holly Performance.
Yeah, look how clean those exhausts are.
Interior, every single piece in the interior.
We got it. Every single thing is new. I got it.
We didn't do under the hood shit. Let's see how nice it came out.
We didn't do the paint either.
Nope.
But they did a great job on the paint.
Has a brand new
Flawless.
Holly carburetor on it too. Oh wow,
Whoa,
looks nice,
clean.
right? So much different than when we had it.
Wow. That looks brand new as well, brother.
He painted the manifold, or that was from me cleaning it?
I don't even know.
Intake manifold. I'm pretty sure I cleaned it up. So I can call it.
Oh no.
Oh wow, it came out nice.
It's very nice.
Disc brake conversion we did on it.
This gotta be one of the nicest 69 Camaro RSs I've ever seen.
I don't know if it's ready to be listed.
What are you
I
talking
wanna do it
about?
now.
Look how clean it is.
Looks a little dirty, but I guess it will look
A
the same.
little
in the
dirty. Just because it's got a little bit of
dust.
glass cleaning that needs to go on the back window. He broke it, Ray.
Let's see how it starts.
I just wish Faja was here to see this one.
Oh, you know what it has?
What? AC?
I forgot we did it when Holly was still with
Detroit Speed?
yeah, with Detroit Speed. We did the electronic headlight.
Well, I could see that it has that, bro.
Yeah, no, you didn't know they were electric.
Why wouldn't they be electric?
Because they come vacuum from the factory.
Well-
you wouldn't be able to do this right now because the car is off.
So the vacuum, what does that mean? Has the cars to be on to open it?
so it takes vacuum from the engine
Ah.
and it makes them open and close. That's why people, electric conversions are the new day and age. It just makes it so nice. I think the 69 RS is the nicest RS out of all of them.
You picked the right color, too.
I thought he should have did orange because
Nah, this is
everybody
awesome.
wanted ours. Dad would be like, this car would need white interior.
Nah.
Good. They shocked his heart. I get it, everything went well. They said the steering wheel's fucking brand new. Oh shit, the horn works.
That's a nice sounding horn. Headliner.
Headliner, Mel did that. Look how good he's fucking getting. We could start charging like $400 and still be
Sweet.
cheaper than people.
Let's do it. Let's charge $450.
Okay. But look how fucking good he's getting. He actually just did the headliner in the 69 butternut car.
He's got to do the Super V-Nex. Let's go.
Yeah, you told him you wanted him to finish the 68.
Yeah, we got to get that done too.
So,
I need to sell some stuff. And now, what are you doing with this car, brother?
So this one's going over to our friends at Simplicity. I'm gonna fix it up. I'm painting the quarters roof. I'm doing the matte black on the hood. So I'm getting rid of all the imperfections. Because the
Matte black on the hood? What,
yeah,
like
to make
around
it like
here?
a TA. No, whole matte black.
The whole thing?
Yeah, we did it like not on the fenders, but we did it on our 73. Remember?
They don't do it like here?
No, well, an RT would come with the matte black on the race.
I feel like that would be cool.
But
I don't see any flaws with this car though. I don't know why you're painting it.
Crack. The quarters are cracked by the
Get me a
windows.
paper towel, please.
I think you're on crack.
Nico.
We're gonna put the TA spoiler on it, black out the windows,
That's sure gonna shout a car.
It
No,
is.
no problem.
and the TA probably side stripe.
Terrible idea.
Nah.
And then it's not gonna look like the car that it was in a movie in. 2 movies actually. We're gonna talk prices?
So this car is gonna be listed at $49,900.
That's a steal, Raymond. What are you thinking? What do you think? You gotta get at least
I hate
60.
being filmed.
$49,900. This thing is fucking probably the nicest one out there for the money.
I think so. How long did it take you to build this one, Ray?
Yeah.
A year, yeah, that's what happens.
Yeah, that's why I'm not doing them no more.
I mean, we had it in our shop for what, 3 months?
He's not even cleaning the right window.
Why?
Because it's dirty back here.
Dirty in the front. But look, like all the gauges, everything looks so fucking nice.
Everything's new on this car. Do you know that, Ray?
I know. I paid the bill.
He was mad every time. He was like, "What the fuck do you want now?" Every time I called him, I was like, "Ray, we need this, we need that." Like, it had no dash, it had nothing in the interior. The seatbelts alone were fucking $500. The steering wheel was
Stuff's
$900.
expensive. This came out good though.
The console.
Are you gonna make any money at $49,900?
That's very little. You want to come with me or you doing something?
Maybe, but I'm still cleaning.
I don't
I
want
mean, it has.
Listen, jump in the car. We'll go over there.
It had.
Where we going?
It had. What is it called? All green interior. I don't know if I could go yet.
Is that green interior?
Yeah, that green.
Uh oh.
It has a brand new battery, but I guess it's not charged.
There we go. $49,900. Get yourself one of the nicest 69 Camaros. We don't even make any money on this. We just fixed it up for him. So, of course, one of the nicest cars isn't ours. And it's gonna sell instantly because it's not ours. That's just the way things work around here. But hopefully Nico's stupid plan for this one helps sell that. And sorry we didn't cover the whole build. It's hard to film these videos. This one is being sold as is. Which one would you rather have, guys? We'll throw this one into the mix. This one, 70 Challenger, 69 Camaro, or a 69 Firebird, or a jet ski.
Now, before you go inside,
What, dumb anus?
I need to get a picture of it.
Bye, Raymond! I wanted to do a short with the electric headlights opening.
It is a nice car.
What'd you want me for?
I want to see how bad Ray fucked us.
What, you didn't pay us?
No. I see the cold start on our new Firebird.
Cold start.
See if it starts up. Either the battery's gonna be dead, it doesn't start.
It's not as nice as the Camaro.
You know, this would be like a $40,000 car done up, and it wouldn't take much to do if it doesn't sell.
You just need a paint job,
And just clean the engine bay.
new door panels. You're gonna do carpet and mats because you're dumb anus.
Oh, yeah, these mats are fucking hideous. I just realized
Ooh,
they're Mazda mats. It says Mazda 6.
cool.
You know, Ray actually got this from a guy that represents, he sells for people on Bring a Trailer, and he follows us.
Oh, he follows
Yeah,
us.
it's like Flow something.
Listen
It's
here,
like-
Flo. Can you list some of our cars and bring a trailer for us?
Ray said he would. The guy was talking to Ray saying he knows these guys, and Ray's like, yeah, those fucking knuckleheads are like my stepkids that I didn't want.
You might have to be a full-time father soon.
Let's see, you think it's gonna start?
Yeah.
It does have a Holly carburetor, so.
Started better than the Camaro.
It did, right? I shit by it right up. I mean, the new exhaust plus we could throw on from Flowmaster.
We're not, brother. You're selling it.
I did want to speckle the trunk today, but
Why? What's the point of that?
make it nicer.
There's no point. If this had a speckled trunk, it's not gonna, like, you know what? I'm on the fence about buying this one. They open the trunk. Oh my gosh, speckle! This is the one for me. We gotta stop making stupid decisions, but we don't know how. All
What
right.
it really needs.
There's a new driver.
Well, that.
Gallon of gas in a match.
So one thing we should really do that would help, but then we'd have to raise the price.
A full paint job.
No, it needs fucking tires. That fucking, those front ones are about to explode.
I don't even think that's gonna help. Just don't drive it. It needs to be trailered.
I mean, it's just such a good looking car.
Look, this is smarter, brother. It needs to be trailered. We have a trailer. We charge extra money to deliver it. Instead of spending money on tires and getting no extra money.
Why is
Dummies.
Hollywood calling me?
Uh-oh.
Hello? What's up? What's up?
Hopefully they have something sold for us. I don't even think they have any of our cars listed anymore. Might be about the Cyclone, which is another loss.
It was on the Cyclone.
That's what I thought. I heard the number and I said it's got to be the Cyclone.
Broker reached out. They got an offer. I don't know what the offer is.
They don't know the offer?
No, he didn't tell me.
How are we supposed to make a deal?
I mean, that car's nice. I like that car. It's like.
I wish we never bought it. I wish we never bought any cars and I would have so much more money.
I know we got a loud car in the background. I know you want to close up the business, but
It's already decided. It's closing.
No, really.
You have
good.
3 cars that if they don't make money, it's over.
So one of our really good customers and good friend,
Who, Dominic?
yes, has an opportunity for us. He just bought a building, a house and a building in East Northport.
I'll take the house.
It would be our own building on a corner on a main street. He's gonna redo the whole thing, and he wants us in. And he said he'll hook us up. He'll take care of us.
He's just saying that. He's going to charge us whatever he's going to charge anybody else.
No, he'll take care
Unless
of us.
it's free.
We could get our dealer's license.
Brother, it's not working.
Baja will go there full time, and it's all right. He sent me a video. You
Is
wanna
a
see what it
building
looks?
going to help save the business?
No,
No.
shop on a main road.
It's just going to cost us more money.
It's shop on a main road.
So now is not the time. Tell them to spend another year or 2 building it, then maybe. Because right now, nothing's selling. Or we can just do storage and make our money that way. Because this ain't working. We can't keep doing the same thing.
We gotta change it up a little bit. He said he's closing within the month.
We actually have a lot of people that want to do business with us. And we've gotten loans and stuff,
I
which ended up
called it.
helping us. Someone offered, oh my God, 10 grand for the Firebird.
I knew it, and that's it.
That's what I said it's worth.
I don't know, another guy said, need another day to think on it between yours and the 69 Camaro.
He wants the 69 Camaro. Tell him we got a 69 Camaro. And then we'll tell Ray that we only got 45, but we sell it to him for 49.
I'm gonna fix a couple little things on the convertible. The grill, the door handles, the convertible top.
What's wrong with the door handle? And people are gonna not buy it because of that?
Yeah, the convertible top.
Door open nice.
I went to go take it last week. I went to put the top down, the fucking convertible latch lockdown fucking snapped. But thanks to Holly, they had it. New shifter boot. Look at that shifter boot. A little teared.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
So I got a new one right there. Got a new grill. Look, I'm gonna make this car nicer. Get rid of the fucking stupid exhaust. The fucking grill is all broken. So
Now how do we relist it and make it seem like it's a new car?
because it's gonna look a little different. I'm gonna change some shit. The exhaust I'm gonna dump under the car because we got a bunch of Flowmasters.
Nico, you gotta stop doing stuff just because we have things.
Yeah, but look, back here, like look how the exhaust is angled down, rusted. So
The only thing that matters is the price of the car.
Yeah.
People don't want to spend 23 or whatever on the Mustang. They're not going to spend 23 after you fix all this stuff.
now it's the season. It's hot out. People gonna buy this bitch.
It's been the season.
We do have to fix the exhaust.
The problem is the economy is trash, and you just keep thinking that people are going to buy stuff for no reason. But let's go get a nice new building, because that's going to solve everything. We got about a month to see how things go from here. Until next time.